what you do now.
I just hope you don't splash water on us.
Okie dokie.
You say yes.
No, I said no.
Whoop, time's life.
Yes, I'm crashing people's homes. No, stop, please. Won't do anything. Please stop, please.
Wow, looks like that I'm living in a 20th century bunker. Now for the grave. No, please stop. You're crushing our home. Oh, water. I should say. Oh, yeah. You're not actually crushing our home. But stop destroying the bubbles. We need them. But you don't anymore. Ugh. Download this stupid ignore. Oh, here we go. There we go. That's more like it. No, they're making it worse. They're making it even worse. Oh no, the water is starting to fill up just because of you. Haha. Oh, wait. Yeah. Yes, I'm watering everything. Now, what are you doing with your life, man? Don't say that, though. I'm fine. Oh, no! Stop it! Ah! Technical difficulties. Oh my God, that's no, you're making it even worse. Oh no, the water is filling up. Oh my God. Okay, fine. Stop. Oh my God, what have you done? What the heck, man? You know what? You're gonna get something that you really deserve. Not me. Yeah, I know. That's what you get. I don't care about you guys anymore. And you're still gonna be watered. No! No! Not again! No! Darn it. Specifically. And happily ever after. Bad ending. Yeah, but not really that bad. Well, let's just let it flood. What? No! Let that! Oh my freaking gosh. What am I doing? They're pouring water on us. No! What's going on? I know this is definitely not technical difficulties. Oh my God! Oh my God, it's flooding. Okay. What the heck? Okay, you scared me. Well, here's some. Bye, guys. Bad ending. The baddest ending ever.